Do not make this mistake. I see countless new agents make time and time again. I haven't sold over $100 million worth of real estate. I have never paid for any leads. Okay, great, Coach Joe. So where do I get leads then as a new agent? Great question. Here are the 3 places I would say for new agents to get leads. The first, open houses. I think open houses as of recent have presented one of the greatest lead generation opportunities across the board. One of my biggest sales ever came from an open house. That is something you should be doing at least twice a week as a new agent. We offer courses on exactly how to maximize your time at open houses to ensure that you are capturing and converting at the highest level. There'll be more to come on that for sure. Number 2, expired, canceled, and for sale by owners. Now, the expired listing has transformed not only my business, but my life, my family's life. Those are the lowest hanging fruits, especially in this market where so many people are reluctant to enter a high interest rate. These are someone who has already raised their hand and expressed interest in selling and unable to. So you can be the hero of the day. Someone already raised their hand, they're interested in selling. It's about how can you get in there, reposition the property to make it look, smell, feel, taste new. Lastly, the third place to get new leads as an agent, of course, is your sphere of influence. But specifically, when you're building your brand, as we cover in our brand build course, you gotta connect to your vibe is your tribe. So for me, food, fitness, dogs, and coffee are some of the things I really am passionate about. So for me, like maybe the dog parks, the restaurants, the coffee shops, these are just some of the things that I would like to double down in. Fitness is another big one, the gyms, Equinox, private clubs, group training classes. If you have the commonality with someone, they're already that much closer to say, hey, he or she is just like me. So that way they like you, they know you. Now, once you get that trust factor down, you can get that business. So I hope this was helpful on how to get new leads as an agent. Be sure to follow on the channel for your coach Joe to be the trusted go-to expert in the community you serve.